Oh, the world's collapsing. Aliens are coming. We're in recession. We have inflation. There's a war. So what does that mean? Well, it really doesn't mean too much for the real estate industry because real estate's still one of the best investments that you can make. Stay tuned. In this episode, I'm going to dive into why real estate is still a sound investment no matter what is going on around us in the world today. Hey, I'm John Wesley Brooks with Coldwell Banker of the Valley, and again, I'm diving into what does inflation mean really in the real estate world. Well, so traditionally we have inflation, prices have increased. Right? So I work with a lot of stockbrokers, investors, financial gurus, and every one of them has said, hey, regardless of where prices are, where the market's going, higher interest rates, they're still investing in real estate. Why? Because it's a tangible, it's a hard asset. So if you've been watching the stock market, it's no secret that, hey, those things have been going way down in value. So it's just a piece of paper that you own. A house is something that you can touch, you can rent out, you can keep it regardless if prices go up or down. So that's why people are using real estate as a good hedge against inflation, because it often acts as kind of a safety net regardless of what everyone thinks. Are prices going to go up? Are they not going to go down? Well, really, we're just going to return to somewhat more of a normal balance in the market where, hey, sellers may be starting to pay some closing costs. Buyers have a lot more options coming in with a little bit more inventory. And so really this just means that buyers have an opportunity to take their time on houses and not just pick the very first one they look at, or even go back and, oh my God, look at one for a second time, which seems like it hasn't happened about 4 or 5 years. And so healthy environment is actually good for everybody in the real estate industry when you're looking at the overall good. So the bottom line is, so it's no wonder why people use buying a home, investing in real estate as a long-term investment, even when inflation is high. So if you're waiting for interest rates to keep going up, all the things of inflation and recession and how that impacts it, well, if there's comps out there that to support the data, then really you're not overpaying. But it is important for sellers, for you guys not to overprice, because buyers are certainly looking at all these factors. Pricing is going to be key, like it always has and it always will be. So if you're wanting a better understanding of what's happening here locally in Huntsville, Alabama's market, regardless if you're looking to buy or sell, hey, let's connect today. We can discuss all these options, some of these fears, some of these what ifs, and then try to figure out what is the best game plan for you moving forward.